Alrighty guys, that's our first BlackMOA cassette toilet being installed and a camper van here with the cruiser camper in Christchurch. There you are. Simple as when you want to remove the cassette, this is out. Right there. That's where you are, where you're going to screw down there with the thingy. Anyway, it's back in there. That's it. Green sticker. This helps you to understand the story. Comes with a long hose. You can take it anywhere, in and out somewhere. Here's the vent for the toilet. Simply, that's it. It can go in here anywhere, or you can take it anywhere you want to take it. So, let's go then.